Being safe in the community. The world is an awesome place. There are good people, like this guy, and there are bad people, like this guy. He may look just like us, but you just never know. Being safe in the community only takes a few simple rules to follow. So follow these simple rules and it will help keep you safe. Rule number 1, stay close to your family. There are a lot of people out there who want to take you from your family and even hurt you. This guy could be safe, or maybe he wants to pull you in his car and take you away. You just don't know. You can also get into trouble and get hurt, like falling off this truck. Staying close to your family is the safest place to be, and it will keep you safe. If you're old enough and you're a kid who's allowed to go off on your own, always let the adult know where you're going to be and stay there. Hey Dad, can I go over to the park across the street and get some ice cream? Sure son, go ahead. Thanks for letting me know. If you're old enough and allowed, and you may want to go someplace else with your friends, always ask the adult first to make sure it's okay and let them know where you are. Hey, you want to come over to my house and play some video games? Let me ask my dad first. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Hey Dad, do you mind if I go over to Brian's house and play video games? You know him, I've been over there before. Of course, just give me a call when you get there, and also call me before you leave. Okay, Dad, will do. Thanks. All right, guys, my dad said it's okay. Let's go. Awesome. If for whatever reason you don't have a way of telling your parent, don't go. Stay where you're supposed to be. Sorry, guys, I can't go with you. Not until I can go home and ask my dad personally. I don't have a cell phone on me. Okay, well, come on over if you can. All right, I'm going to go home and ask. Thanks. Rule number 3, don't talk to strangers. Remember, they can look friendly, but that doesn't mean they're friendly. You should always stay away from strangers who come up and try to talk to you. Hey there, little man. How you doing? Can I get you an ice cream cone? If this happens, just politely walk away. If a stranger walks up to you and starts asking you questions, don't answer. He may ask you questions like, hey, little man, what's your name? Where do you live? Are you alone? These are generally questions that people who are not very nice ask little kids. If you hear these, immediately don't answer and walk away. Oh, I'm safe now. Strangers may ask you to help them to try to lure you in. Hey, little man. Hey, my tire here is broken. I could sure use some help. Do you want to help me? Adults don't generally ask kids for help. They ask other adults. So this is often a sign that he may be trying to lure you in. If some adult asks you for help, say, I'm sorry I can't, and walk away. Yay, I'm safe. Strangers often use animals to try to lure kids in. Kids like animals, and strangers know that. Hey, do you like my dog? Do you want to pet my puppy here? You just tell them, no thank you, and politely walk away. Yay, I'm safe. This is an important rule. Never get into a car with an adult that you don't know. Hey, little man, looks like you got a long walk ahead. You want to ride? This individual's trying to lure this little boy into his vehicle. A lot of kids will fall for this and they're never seen again. Never get into a car with an adult that you do not know. Immediately get away and go tell your parent. No, thank you. If someone tries to pick you up and take you, scream, stranger, 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 help, help, stranger, stranger, stranger. I don't think that kid belongs in that car. Hey, let me help. You're okay now. Let's go find the police. If someone does try to grab you, kick, bite, and scream. Ow! I got away! I'm gonna go tell a policeman or an adult. Rule number 4. Be careful crossing the street. Never run out into the road. Hey, look, there's a kitty there. Oh, I should have looked first. Before crossing the street, always look both ways. There's a car coming. I'll look to the right. I'll look to the left. It's all clear. Now I can walk. I'm safe. Always be careful walking around parking lots. You never know when they're gonna back up. Whoa, that was close. Stay far away from cars and be aware when they turn the car on, the lights are gonna come on. And that's a good sign you need to get out of their way. So to be safe in your community, follow these simple rules. Number 1, stay close to your family. Number 2, if you're allowed to go off on your own, always let the adult know where you are and never leave. If you have to leave or you want to leave, always check with your adult first. Number 3, don't talk to strangers. And number 4, be careful around roads and parking lots. They're very dangerous. Follow these simple rules and you will be safe. The end.